in Anne Arundel County, and now an association representing restaurants across the state. They're also seeking injunction relief against closing their doors to indoor dining.
WMAR 2 News' Jeff Hager has more on this legal action.
Claiming local indoor dining bans aren't based on any science, the Restaurant Association of Maryland is asking the courts to halt them. Happy holidays? Not for restaurants here in Baltimore, shut down by a ban on indoor dining. And not for Michelle Robinson, an out-of-work server from Phillips Seafood here at Baltimore's Inner Harbor.
I had to sit down with my 8- and 10-year-old the other day just to explain to them that we have to make a decision. Either you get a Christmas gift or putting food on the table.
Robinson is one of an estimated 150,000 restaurant workers laid off or furloughed during the pandemic. And in light of the successful legal action to prohibit Anne Arundel County from shutting down indoor dining this week, the Restaurant Association of Maryland is following suit.
Today, the Restaurant Association of Maryland has filed requests for temporary restraining orders and preliminary injunctions in Maryland Circuit Courts against Baltimore City, Montgomery County, and Prince George's County.
Much like the similar action in Anne Arundel County, the association argues that local leaders who have ordered such bans do not have any scientific evidence to support them. Otherwise, they would have seen a spike when restaurants were operating at 75% capacity.
It's a three-step process, but if we can get that, the restaurants can be open for Christmas and New Year's, and then there are hearings to see whether to extend it further than what would probably be about 15 days.
That's the hope of Michelle Robinson, who's expecting her third child any day now, with diminishing expectations of being able to financially support her family.
I can't get food stamps. I tried to talk to a worker. They hung up on me 3 times yesterday. I was stressed out to the point I couldn't even get out of bed the other day. Because I'm like, what do? I need a job.
Those seeking injunctive relief say they're willing to work with local jurisdictions like Baltimore City, and they're only seeking to keep the restaurants open to the extent that the governor's orders allow. Reporting in downtown Baltimore, Jeff Hager, WMAR 2 News.